That's a small elephant, huh?
Yeah, that's a small one. But it's not very like tiny. It must be over 2 years.
Oh, there's another one. Look, there's another one coming here. Look.
Little one.
So this one can be 4
Uh-huh.
to 5. And that one can be 2.5 to 3.
Beautiful elephants here in South Luangwa National Park in Zambia. So, Friday, how small do you think this baby is?
Maybe 4 to 5 months.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
And this one,
yeah.
the other one, must be over 8 years already.
Oh,
That one looks like the mother of the two. That one there. Just looking at how close they walk to each other.
so why is the elephant in the right flapping its ears?
Basically, the flapping of ears is cooling down.
Cooling down. Ah,
Even if the temperatures look to be lower now, but elephants continue to cool down because of their digestion system.
I see.
It generates a lot of heat, so they're always desperate in trying to cool down their body. So they constantly flap their ears, even when it is cool. So you see that black line?
Yeah.
That's just a temporal gland.
Mm.
Yeah, it's all elephants, they have that. So the circulation comes out, especially when they are more like agitated
Yeah.
or they are relaxed, it comes out more. But also it serves the purpose of knowing each other in terms of the scent. So when you see elephants meeting, they sniff each other on the same gland. So in that way they can know, they can identify individuals.
Mm.
Just like specific individuals using the
It
scent.
still looks pretty upset.
Mm.
Is he kicking for food, or is he kicking like, damn it, Friday, don't do that to me?
The kickings,
Yeah.
when you try to pull out the grass, when it's hard, it kicks out so that you can break it off from the ground.
No, but I think it's upset at you right now. I don't think that's the reason. Come on, baby, come out.
So the baby has gone back close to the mother.
I can see it through the bushes, but I wanted to walk. All right, here we go.
There you go.
Pretty elephants.